Hi, second graders. Today you have 3 vocabulary words that you are going to learn. Here's your first one. Your first word is certain. Say certain. Okay? If something is certain, it means it can happen 100%. It is going to happen. Like, I am certain that we will have recess today. I know 100% sure it's going to happen. Okay, I am also certain that we will do some reading today. Certain is it's 100% going to happen. Your second word is probable. Probable means that it could happen. It could happen. Like if I had a bag, this was my bag, and I put some marbles in there. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blue marbles, and 1, 2, 3, 4 green marbles. Okay? It is probable that I will pick out a blue marble. That means it could happen. It's not 100% sure. Okay? Something that's certain is that it is certain that I will pick out a marble. It is certain that the marble could be blue or green. It is probable it could be green. Probable means that it could happen. Certain means it's 100% going to happen. Okay? So probable. Your last vocabulary word is dun-dun-dun-dun, impossible. Impossible means it could never happen. It could not happen. So if I were using this bag of marbles again that I drew, it is impossible to pick out a purple marker. Or not marker, marble. Why is it impossible? Well, there are no purple marbles in there. It is impossible to pick out a Pokemon from the bag. Why is it impossible? There are no Pokemons in there. It is certain it will be a marble. Okay, and it is probable that it would be green or blue. It is probable that it will be blue. So impossible means it could not happen. It could not or never happen. If you forget what these words mean, come back to this first slide that gives you those vocabulary words. All right, let's get started on our lesson. Remember these 3 vocabulary words. Okay, second graders, you should have grabbed one of the brown paper bags. They have 15 orange cubes in them and 5 blue cubes in them already. So you don't have to do the part that says put 15 cubes in and 5 cubes in. I've already done that for you. When you are done with the bag, please make sure you return it to the place you got it so that other friends can find it. And do not mix them up. Okay, let's get started. It says, before you do the activity, circle the missing word to complete the sentence. So number 1 is already done for you. It is blank that you will pick an orange cube. Probable or impossible? Remember, probable means that you will probably, because it even sounds like probably, pick a cube. Remember, probable means that it could happen. Impossible means that it could never happen. And certain means that you are 100% sure that it will happen. Okay, so number 1, yeah, it's probable that you will pick an orange cube. It could happen. Number 2, it is blank that you will pick a green cube. Well, since we only have orange and blue, that would be impossible. It could not happen because there aren't any green cubes in there. It couldn't happen. Number 3, this is where you have to do it on your own. It says pick 10 cubes, so only 10 even though there are 20 cubes in there. 1 at a time. Put the cube back each time. So yesterday we took it out and kept it out. Today you're putting it back in. Record the results. So that means if you pick out an orange cube, you color in that orange box. Okay, if you pick out a blue, you color in a blue. And you only do that 10 times. So right now I've done it 2 times, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you're going to answer, based on what you've pulled out, how many orange cubes did you pull out and how many blue cubes did you pull out. Since I didn't do it because I don't have the cubes, you're going to have to do this one on your own. I'm erasing mine. Okay, the do you understand? It says there are 5 purple cubes and 20 yellow cubes in a bag. Is it less probable you will pick a purple cube or a yellow cube? Why? So which one would be less probable, less likely that you would pick it up, purple or yellow? You're going to tell me which color and then why. Remember, you are doing this one on Seesaw. Remember, when you're done with your paper, you can go and comment on other people's. Okay, you are on independent practice. So it says make a tally chart. Remember, a tally is one. Ooh. A tally chart is 1, 2, 3, 4, shut the door, 5. Okay, we don't go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's really hard to count. So let's go ahead and make a tally chart to help us answer the questions. Circle the missing word to complete the sentence. So we're going to use this to make our tally chart. So how many green grapes are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I'm going to make 16 tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, shut the door, that's 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, shut the door. So I need to do 6 more. 2, 3, 4, shut the door. Let's see, 5, 10, 15, 16. And purple. Let's see how many purple I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to do 9 purple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, number 4. There are more blank grapes in the bowl. Are there more green or purple? Circle your answer. Number 5. You pick 1 grape. It is blank that you will pick a green grape. Is it probable or certain that you will pick a green grape? Certain means it's 100% sure. Probable means that you could. It would happen. It could happen. Number 6. It is blank that you will pick a purple grape or a green grape. Is that probable? It could happen. Or certain? It's going to happen no matter what. Okay, 100% you would pick a purple or a green grape. And number 7, it is blank that you will pick an apple. Is it impossible or certain? Remember, impossible means that it could not happen. Certain means that it is 100% sure it will happen. Go to the back. Solve the problems below. Number 8. There are 5 marbles in the bag. Color the marbles so that it is probable to pick a red marble. So you are going to need a red crayon. It is probable. Remember, probable means that it could happen. It probably will happen. Number 9. Use the tally chart to answer which best completes the sentence. If you pick 1 marker from a box, it is blank that you will pick a red or a blue marker. Well, this says red right here, and this says blue. Is it less likely, A, B, probable, C, certain, or D, impossible to pick a red or a blue marker? And number 10, the journal. There are 12 red cubes and 4 blue cubes in a bag. What color cube is impossible for you to pick? Why? You can write a sentence. I'll start you off. It is impossible to pick you choose what color you want, cube, because. Tell me why is it impossible? Oh, I got a little curly on my A and U. It looks like cursive. A little messy. I'm going to erase and redo that because I'm making a responsible decision to fix my mistake when I make it, because. Now you need to finish and tell me why it would be impossible to pick a blank cube. When you are done, have it checked, and then you can take it home and go on Seesaw. Remember to do your Do You Understand? And until you switch groups, you will be commenting and reading or listening to other people's Do You Understand questions on Seesaw.